Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we were solving the third main. Four problems we have completed. Fifth one had remained. So let us solve that fifth one. Fifth problem is gap 38, gap, third gap, fourth gap. This one is sixth. So let us adopt the previous method what we have used. This one indicates A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Okay. Now consider the values given. That is, consider A2 equals to 38. A2 equals to 38. What is the meaning of A2? That is A plus 2 minus 1 into D, that is equals to 38. Referring An equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. A plus 2 minus 1, 1. That is A plus D equals to 38. This one is the first equation. Then let us consider A6th. Now A6th equals to minus 22. What is the meaning of A6th? A plus 6 minus 1 into D equals to minus 22. That is A plus 5D equals to minus 22. Second one. See, first one A2 equals to 38. That becomes A plus D equals to 38. Then A6 equals to minus 22. That becomes that A plus 5D equals to minus 22. Solving one and two equations, 1 and 2. A plus D equals to 38. Then A plus 5D minus 22, minus plus by subtracting, see, plus A minus A gets cancelled, that is minus 4D equals to 60. 8 plus 2, 10, 3 plus 3, 6. 4D equals to 60. Therefore, D equals to 60 divided by minus 4. Therefore, 4 1s are 4 15s are. D equals to minus 15. D equals to minus 15. See the solution. Okay, put D equals to minus 15. Put D equals to minus 15 in 1. That is, first one is A plus D equals to 38. So, A plus of minus 15 equals to 38. A minus 15 equals to 38. A equals to 38 plus 15. So, A equals to 53. A equals to 53. See, we got, that is A plus D equals to 38. Value of D is minus 15. That has been substituted in the equation. So that minus 15 is transformed. So 38 plus 15, A equals to 53. Next, the terms required. A implies A1, that is equals to 53. Then A3 A2 plus D. A2 is given, that is 38. D is minus 15. A4 A5 See, this one is the first equation. Next we have solved that. Solving first and second, we got D is equal to minus 15. Again, the value of D is considered in the equation, that is put D equals to minus 15 in equation 1. That equation 1 indicates A plus D equals to 38. Minus 15 is the value substituted. The first term A equals to 53. Then the terms required A1, that is equals to 53, A3, A2 plus D, that is 23, A4, A3 plus D, that is 8, then A5, A4 plus D, that is 8 minus 15, that is minus 7. The terms of AP are 53, 38, then 23, then 8, then minus 7, then minus that last one 22. Exercise 1.2, fourth question. Only one problem is there. Which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 dash dash is 78? See, first of all, I will tell the meaning of this question. Here 3, 8, 13, 18 dash 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 up to 78. What we have to find is which term, the number of term, that is n. We have to find in which term this 78 lies, that is AP 3, 8, 13, 8. So first of all we have to consider the AP. Three, 8, 13, 18 dash. Okay. First term is A equals to 3. The common difference is A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 3, which is equals to 5. Then Anth is given, that Anth equals to 78. The question to be solved is n equals to question mark. So, observing the given data, which formula is suitable for this? That is nothing but a(n) equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. a(n) equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. a(n) is 78. Okay. A is 3 plus n we do not know, n minus 1, that is d is 5. Okay, let us simplify. 78 equals to 3 plus 5 into n, 5n, minus 5 ones are 5, minus 5. 78 equals to 3 minus 5 minus 2 plus 5n. Okay, let us move. That is 78 minus 2 is being transferred. That is 78 plus 2 equals to 5n. That is 80 equals to 5n. Therefore, n equals to 80 by 5. 5 ones are 5 16s are. So, n equals to 16. n equals to 16. The 16th term is 78. 16th term is 78. See, once again read the question. Which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 dash dash is 78? So, we have considered the AP, then we have calculated the first term and common difference. Then by applying the formula, a(n) equals to, by applying the formula, a(n) equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. 78 equals to 3 plus n minus 1 into 5. So, after simplification, we got 78 equals to minus 2 plus 5n. Minus 2 is transferred, that is 78 plus 2, that is 80 equals to 5n. n equals to 80 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 16s are. n equals to 16. The 16th term is 78. Okay, let us check whether that 78 is the 16th term or not. Practically, let us check. Okay, let us begin the continuation of that AP. Okay, first one, check. First term is 3, 8, 13, 18. Common difference is 5. Go on adding the common difference. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 5, 28. 28 plus 5, 33. 33 plus 5, 38. 38 plus 5, 43. 43 plus 5, 48. 48 plus 5, 53. 53 plus 5, 58. 58 plus 5, 63. 63 plus 5, 68. 68 plus 5, 73. 73 plus 5, 78. Okay, we got 78. Let us count whether it is 16th term or not. Okay, let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, then 16. Okay, instead of writing continuously in this way, they have provided the method of finding the directly which term this 78 belongs to. So, we have applied the formula, that is a(n) equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then by substituting the values given, then we got n equals to 16 directly without writing continuously. So, this is the usual normal method of calculating the number of terms. So this one just I have shown you the practical way of finding the 78 is the 16th term or not. We have checked that one. Okay, let us move to the next main. You see once again the method in what way I have solved. This one is the fifth main. Say in fifth main there are two sums. That is 7, 13, 19, dash, 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 that is 2 not 5. 18, 15 integer 1 by 2, 13, dash, dash, minus 47. What is the question? Find the number of terms in each of the following AP. Okay, let us solve the first one. AP 7, 13, 19, continuation up to 205. See, here A equals to 7, then D equals to A2 minus A1, that is 13 minus 7, which is equals to 6. Then a nth, last term is given, a nth equals to 205. What we have to find? The number of terms, n equals to question mark. See the question, find the number of terms. That means 205, which term that is. So, applying a nth equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A nth is 205. A nth is 205. A is 7 plus n we do not know. Keep as it is. N minus 1. D is 6. Then 205 equals to 7 plus multiply by 6 for this term. 6 into n, 6n. 6 into minus 1, minus 6. What happens? 205, 7 minus 6, 1 plus 6n, 205 minus 1 equals to 6n. Next, that is 6n equals to 204, 205 minus 1, 204. Therefore, n equals to 204 divided by 6. Then n equals to 6 ones are 6 threes are 18, 24, 6 fours are n equals to 34. This is continue to like this 6n equals to 205 minus 1 is 204. So n equals to 204 divided by 6, 6 ones are 6, 34s are n equals to 34. 34th term. Suppose if we go on writing these numbers, this one will be 34th term. 205 will be the 34th term. As I shown before, you have to check like that. Okay, let us move to the second one. AP, that is 18, 15 integer 1 by 2, then 13, continuation up to minus 47, 18, 31 by 2, 30, continuation up to minus 47. Because this is in mixed fraction, so I converted into that improper fraction. 15 to the 30 plus 31 by 2. Okay, A equals to 18 as usual. D equals to A2 minus A1, which is equals to 31 by 2 minus 18. Okay, LCM is 2, that is 1 2 za, 2 1 za, 31 minus 18 2 za, 36, which is equals to minus 5 by 2. D equals to minus 5 by 2. Okay, let us find the nth term, that is by using nth equals to, we know what we know, nth equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. The last term they have given, that is nth is minus 47. So by substituting the values nth minus 47 equals to a, that is 18, plus n minus 1 into d is minus 5 by 2. Minus 47 equals to 80, then minus 5 by 2 n, minus into minus plus 5 by 2. Okay, minus 47 minus 18 equals to minus 5 by 2n plus 5 by 2. See, minus, same sign, that should be added. Minus 65 equals to minus 5 by 2n plus 5 by 2. Minus 65 minus 5 by 2 equals to minus 5 by 2n. Again LCM, that is 2. 1 2s are 2 1s are, minus 130 minus 5 equals to minus 5 by 2n. Then let us simplify once again. Minus 135 by 2 equals to minus 5 by 2 n. Therefore minus 135 by 2 into, that is 2 by 5 equals to n, because that has been transferred, so that becomes reciprocal. Minus 5 by 2 becomes, that is minus 2 by 5. Okay, 2 gets cancelled, then 5 1s are, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are, no, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are, that is n equals to 27. N equals to 27. Here 5 1s are 5, 27 is up. See here, minus into minus a plus that becomes. So here during the transformation there is no change of sign because that is the coefficient of n. So there will be no chances of changing the sign. So n equals to 27. Please see the solution attentively. This one is very complicated one. During the simplification you have to be careful, because during the simplification there are chances of mistaking the terms. So with more concentration you have to solve such sums. See attentively once again. Okay, let us move to the next main. Sixth one, question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. See, the meaning of this problem is, suppose if we go on writing these terms, whether shall we get minus 150 or not, we have to check. So the method of solving such problems is similar only as we solved before. If the number of terms are integral way, that means whole number, then definitely that minus 50 will be in the continuation of this term. If the number of terms obtained is in a decimal form or in fractional form, that or in a negative form, that will not be, minus 150 will not be in the continuation of this given AP. So followed. See once again what we have to do, we have to check the number of terms. If the number of terms are whole number, that definitely minus 150 will be the number of this AP. Okay, let us check. A equals to given 11, 8, 5, 2, continuation. A equals to 11. D equals to A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. Let us take A equals to minus 150. We know that A equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Minus 150 equals to A is 11 plus n minus 1. D is minus 3. Okay, minus 150 equals to 11 plus into minus, minus 3n. Minus into minus, plus 3 ones are 3. Minus 150 equals to 11 plus 3, 14. 14 minus 3n. Okay, minus 150 minus 14 equals to minus 3n. Then minus 150 minus 164 or equals to minus 3n. Okay, signs are same. Let us leave the sign. 164 equals to 3n. n equals to 164 divided by 3. Which one is not divisible? This is one is not in 164 is a fractional form. That n should be in integral part. So minus 150 is not a term of given AP minus 150 is not twice it has written. Minus 150 is not a term of given AP. You see the homework given. Find the number of terms in the given APs. 5 AP are given. You have to find the n number of terms. Find the number of terms in the given APs. So practice the problems what I have solved. Then solve these given sums as homework. 8, 3, minus 2, minus 9, 79, 24, 21, 18, 3, 5, 10, 15, 22, 50, 3, 15, 27, 39, 132, 3, 8, 13, 253. Once again I remind you that last term given you have to consider it as an. Here you have to write a and you have to calculate d. Then by applying the an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. If that given term is in AP, that you will get the whole number of terms. So, however, all whatever I have given is in accurate form. You will find the n as whole number. Okay, thank you.